How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And some of you guys have been asking, does a VPN help with League of Legends? Now, I'm not necessarily a League of Legends player myself, but I do dabble with Rainbow Six, Tekken, Elden Ring, some Warzone here and there, some Black Ops. So I know how typically it works with playing games and ping problems and whatnot. I do have some ping problems myself, and you can definitely use a VPN to fix some of these problems, but there are some things to keep in mind no matter the game you're playing, in order to have a smooth experience. And if you potentially have any ping problems because of your ISP's internet package or anything like that, there are ways to fix it without having to change your internet plan. And of course, that has to do with the servers. Now, first of all, if you guys are interested in any of the VPNs mentioned today, be it Express, Norder, or Surfshark, I'll briefly talk about these today, but mainly the tip how to really use these VPNs. They're all high quality VPNs. They're the top 3 VPNs overall. If you want to learn more about them, you'll find full reviews and links to pricing and discounts if you want to jump straight to there. Okay, so with regards to League of Legends, now, first of all, when using a VPN for gaming, you want to make sure that you're using servers that are, close to your game server. So let's say using the interface here with NordVPN, the map design will allow me to kind of demonstrate a little better. So first of all, you want to locate the game servers. So with League of Legends, if we go to the servers here with League of Legends on leagueoflegends.fandom.com, you'll notice that these are all the servers available. So we have a server in Brazil. These are the European ones, Europe West, Latin America South, North, so on and so forth. So let's say you are in Europe, right? So if we take a look here, let's say you're in Europe, let's just go with the West, right? It seems to be located in Amsterdam, or if you're in the East, it seems to be located in Germany, specifically Frankfurt. So what you want to do, now that we know the location of our game server, I'm going to have to go to my VPN, right? And let's just go straight to the German server right here and find that we have 2 locations. So we've got Frankfurt and Berlin. So we do have that option to connect to Frankfurt. And all these VPNs do have Frankfurt servers. Of course, they have different locations, different servers. With ExpressVPN, I've got over 3,000 servers in 94 countries. With NordVPN, you have over 5,500 servers, but within 60 countries. And with Surfshark, you have over 3,200 servers in 95 countries. So depending on which game you're playing, figure out which VPN has the servers that you want, and you can just go for that. As far as low ping gaming, they're all very high quality VPNs. Just make sure that you're using the best performing protocols, such as the lightweight UDP protocol, NordLynx with NordVPN, and WireGuard with Surfshark. So again, you want to connect to the VPN server that is closest to your game server. So in this case, we're going to have to zoom into Germany and, connect to Frankfurt, or at the very least, a neighboring country. And that's if you're in Europe East. If you're in Europe West, which is Amsterdam, Netherlands, you're going to want to connect to the closest server, or at least a neighboring country within the Netherlands, in order to shorten the distance between your VPN server and the game server, potentially giving you even better ping. So that's pretty much how it works. So let's say you want to connect, you're in America, and you want to connect to the American server because, you have ping problems and you want to fix them. You're going to go to the VPN and go to the Chicago server. And that's how you're going to be able to improve your ping. All right. So that's pretty much the main trick to fixing your ping or using a VPN, even if you don't have any ping problems and you want to use a VPN for other reasons. Maybe you want to play with your mates and you're having problems connecting to the servers or whatever it is. You're going to be able, because typically Using a VPN will decrease your speed and increase your ping, but it doesn't have to be that way. That's why I have these VPNs picked here. These VPNs, first of all, will barely decrease your speed. They're very good, especially if you're using the protocols that I mentioned. And you won't have to suffer any latency issues because you're using this, you're keeping this trick in mind. You want to connect to the VPN server that is closest to your game server, and that should get you going. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys are interested, you guys can go ahead and try this trick, by the way, and let me know if it works. Either way, you do have a 30-day money-back guarantee with these VPNs, so you can test drive these VPNs for 30 days risk-free. But if you'd like to learn more about the privacy policy, speed streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features of these VPNs, you'll find full reviews in the description down below. You'll also find links to pricing and discounts if you'd like to jump straight to that. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.